Good morning, Rockets, and this morning I will be reading to you A Flake Like Mike, a story written by Mike Reese. When your mom and dad were kids a billion years ago, everything was kind of weird. Their clothes, their hair, and snow. No one much liked snow back then. It fell in one big clump. It came down fast, it came down hard, and landed with a whump. For snowflakes traveled in a bunch and packed together tight, and everyone looked just the same. 6 equal sides in white. You couldn't tell the boys from girls, and father looked like mother. Sister looked exactly like her uncle's dentist brother. They formed a crowd inside a cloud, and they all looked alike, except for one who didn't fit, a little flake named Mike. The others wouldn't talk to him because he looked so strange. Though he'd admit this hurt a bit, Mike knew he'd never change. And when they called him Freaky Flake, Mike took it with a smile. He'd rather look the way he did than like a bathroom tile. When winter came, the snowflakes fell in one big lump together, except for lacy little Mike, who floated like a feather. He did a fancy figure 8. He swooped and looped the loop. And when Mike lightly touched the ground, the snowflakes cheered and whooped. Mike made snowflake history. His mother was so proud. When it got warm, the snowflakes thawed and went back to their cloud. But things had changed. The snowflakes asked how they could be like Mike. It's simple, Mike said. Be yourself and find a shape you like. Snowflake Kate was first to try, and when she thought it over, she shut her eyes and she became a snow-white 6-leaf clover. Then one by one the snowflakes changed, first 2, then 5, then 7. 110, 6,000, and then 8,011,000,000,000. One looked like a spider web, and one looked like a star. One looked like slimy snakes, which seemed a bit bizarre. Some look like trees, some look like bees, some look like flowers and flame. They look like bones and ice cream cones, but no 2 looked the same. Actually, 2 look just alike. Can you find them? When it was time to snow again, each flake went his own way. They floated, flitted, zigged and zagged in wintry white ballet. What a sight! What a delight to people down below! They caught snowflakes on their tongues. They came to love the snow. And that's why snow comes down in flakes, and no two look alike. And though each snowflake is unique, there's no flake quite like Mike.